Hi, I'm Rylan. I'm an operations intern here at the Northern Plains UAS test site. As an operations intern, I've had the opportunity to travel alongside the team and support UAS operations both within and outside of the state. This summer, we traveled to El Paso and worked on the Assure project, evaluating counter-UAS technologies. Being a part of that project and seeing how environmental factors influence performance was really interesting. It gave me a better understanding of how much testing really goes into making sure these systems work reliably. I've never been to New Mexico, so it was really cool being able to gain experience in the field while traveling somewhere new.
Hi, I'm Jaden, and as a marketing intern, I've had the chance to get hands-on experience across a lot of different areas of marketing. I focused a lot on social media, creating graphics, and capturing photo and video at conferences, events, and out in the field, which has really helped build my confidence behind the camera. This internship has also allowed me the opportunity to write blogs and press releases, which has grown my professional writing skills. One of my favorite press releases that I wrote covered how the test site partnered with the community to support aerial tornado search efforts. It was really interesting to be part of something with that kind of real-world impact. I'm super grateful for how supportive the team has been while giving me the independence to learn and take ownership of my work.